Not all bulletin boards are created equal. Selecting the right bulletin board for your needs takes a little bit of investigating. First, is it cork, fabric, or magnetic? Is it for basic, light, moderate, or heavy use? Basic bulletin boards typically found in discount and home decor stores generally look like most other commercial-grade cork boards, but they're not. The difference is in the thickness of the cork and backing. They're constructed using a thin layer of cork applied over cardboard. They're suitable for posting lightweight items because of limited tacking power. Light-use, commercial-grade bulletin boards also use a thin layer of cork, but with a superior high-density backing to deliver strong, pin-holding power that keeps your documents securely posted, even after years of posting them in the exact same place, unlike basic bulletin boards. A variety of frames, colors, and cork textures help combine performance and styling to make a communication statement in the workplace. Moderate use boards consist of a commercial-grade, tightly woven, highly durable fabric and will not crumble or fade like cork with heavier use. Contemporary and tasteful styling blends to create an enhanced professional appearance. Heavy use boards are where design and functionality meet to create unique and engaging presentation areas, like the Quartet Prestige Plus magnetic fabric. They allow you to review and rearrange documents multiple times with traditional push pins or magnets without causing any damage. These same benefits are now available in Prestige 2 magnetic cork bulletin boards. You can accessorize your Prestige 2 bulletin boards for even more professional performance, such as adding a flip chart extension arm or an accessory storage cup. We even manufacture enclosed bulletin boards in a variety of sizes and door styles for both indoor and outdoor use. Whatever your bulletin board needs, Quartet has you covered from end to end, top to bottom. Order yours today.